The Senate Agriculture and Health Committees met today to discuss the state's response to bird flu and what can be done next. ABC 10's Devin Truby listened in and joins us now with the update. Devin.
Laura, officials say it looks like bird flu is starting to slow down in animals, but with spring migration starting soon, the committee wants to figure out what's next.
Since August 2024, more than 750 California dairies have tested positive for bird flu and were quarantined. Around 400 remain under quarantine now, and all dairies are under surveillance. As for poultry, nearly 80 flocks have tested positive, mostly on farms.
Price of eggs, why did it go up? Because this has been the worst outbreak this country has ever seen.
State veterinarian Dr. Jones says the state needs to increase biosecurity and continue testing because the virus can mutate.
So if vaccine works and it's approved, that's definitely something that we'd like to look at for dairy cows. There's a lot of things we don't know if that's the path forward at this point, but it's something we want to keep on the radar. Poultry, the way we reduce the virus load is rapid euthanasia, so that will probably have to continue, or unless there's a vaccine for them.
As far as bird flu in people, Dr. Erica Pan, the new director of the California Department of Public Health, shared actions they've taken.
29,000 flu A samples in this last year since this has occurred. We did identify 2 bird flu infections in children.
Still no evidence of human-to-human spread, and there's been no animal-to-human cases since mid-January.
Free COVID and flu testing for community members in the areas that are impacted who have flu symptoms, and then also add that H5 testing to that.
A new tool from the pandemic, wastewater, can now be tested for bird flu. The state looks at U.S. Secretary of Agriculture Brooke Rollins' announcement last week, providing $1 billion to fight bird flu, $500 million to biosecurity, $400 million in financial relief to farmers, and $100 million for vaccine research. But there are concerns over the federal government's role after accidentally firing staff working on bird flu.
This administration is hollowing out the federal expertise needed to fight the avian flu. That California needs to do even more.
Right now, close to 40 different studies are happening in California to understand bird flu, and the state also hopes to add another laboratory in Turlock by 2026. Laura.
All right, Devin Truby reporting for us tonight. Thank you.